Alright guys, so we are now in the garage. We have now gotten the part that we have needed to fix the mini bike here. My chain tensioner, the old one just broke, so we got to get that. And then I have another surprise when Nolan comes over because he is on his way. So we're going to be installing this. So let's get this thing installed. Okay, got it off. Now we're just gonna pull it off. Oh, man, my hands get just dirtier than dirty. There you go, the old one is off. And I could honestly keep this spring, but I'm just gonna take it out. So let's get the new one on and see if everything fits. First, we got the new one here. It looks like it's a metal. Yep, it's a metal one. And this one is a plastic one. So this one just stripped out because of the chain. And I don't know what happened to the middle. We were just tearing it up in the snow. The chain must have just ate it. So that broke. So a week later, we got a new one. Alright, so we just got it installed. And it is nice. I don't know if that's supposed to be that loose, but why is that so tight? Oh well. I'm gonna have to loosen this back one, but we got it hooked up, and Nolan's here. Alright, so before we do that, I put the case back on, and I got this nut stuck on the actual exhaust thing. So I gotta figure out how to take that off, but I'm gonna show Nolan what I grabbed from the warehouse, and I'm gonna put on the.
Let me see.
What do you think it is?
Exhaust.
No.
Yes, it is. It's that exhaust you like cut off.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
Pretty cool.
Look at that.
That is pretty cool.
So it's not shooting in my leg anymore.
Hey.
It burns my leg. I was gonna do it down, but that thing would melt the plastic.
You should actually do that though. See how it like a little bit.
No, I mean it looks like it like bent, like it got hot and bent. Look at that.
Oh.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh. Whoa, he's loud, baby.
Feel like I'm at the tippy top of my game, looking down at the rafters. I had to sun these boys, can't leave them bastards. A lot of dudes, just some undercover actors. I don't fall for it, I'm privy to all your tactics. Yeah, so try again, this time take a vitamin. Yeah, and vitamin. You're gonna need some patience. She looked me in the eye, tell me how much she loving mama.
Dude, this snow is like hard, but it's not.
Not even doing anything?
No.
Oh.
Oh, it's a lot harder. Dude, that's a perfect.
What?
If you just hit this, boom, landing right there. You should. Whoa. It's a drift. Dang.
Oh, hit it one more time.
Nope.
Oh, you got him out.
Let's see if the dirt bike can do it. See if the dirt bike
Bike is like sounds weird, like bogging. And it like backfires so easily. I mean, probably not.
Yeah, straight A student, but I'm friends with a cool kid. Following the rules in the rule book. Freestyle on the bus and it's too lit. Everybody like, hold down, who's this? Raising the stakes like who's Chris? Clockwork, how shit.
Oh,
I think I just stretched my legs.
yeah, I see that. You did
Like
splits.
splits.
You might get it doing off with that.
Oh, that hurt.
He's like, oh my god. Holy shit. You can go through 3 feet of snow and can't go through 2 inches.
It's running right.
Yeah, I know, dude.
It's not running right.
It's cold out. It's like 4 degrees right now.
Why is it like that?
Mm.
This isn't good.
Look at the gas. Look at the gas.
I have gas.
Nobody says I'm running right when he's doing that. Dude, you really like wide open second. Oh my. Dude, you wanna know why it's not doing that? Because you're in second and you're just like revving it till it can't rev anymore. You're just like full on.
Well, I was in second, but it shouldn't bog down like that. It's weird. It's cold out.
I'm about to go back and warm my toes.
Yeah. Well, this might be it for today's video. Stay tuned because we got videos every week, and this one's just a start of the year thing. It won't be anything like this. Well, it'll be kind of like this. We got a lot of build videos and just interesting videos coming up, so
Make
stay
sure
tuned.
you guys like watch till the end of these videos because
Yeah.
yeah.
We're almost to 1,000 subscribers too, so that's gonna brighten up our day too, because we've been looking forward to that. And we just have a lot of videos actually coming up every week, so stay tuned, and thanks for watching.
Dude, it looks horrible in there.
We got a problem, boys and girls. We just fixed the chain tensioner, and it's the next day. We're just ripping down here, and guess what happened? The chain is off. Well, it's knocking first. I didn't hear it, and then the chain is off. But we are like on the side of this hill, and the tools are back home, so we're gonna both have to ride on that. and go get
Or
the
I can
tools.
just go grab them. Alright, I'll be back.
Around and look at what I see there. That's the chain tensioner right there. That isn't a good look right now. Oh my god. Hurry up, I'm cold! Dude, it's been like 30 minutes.
Yeah. You cold?
I'm freezing.
There you go.
Go. Oh! Okay, I thought my chain was gone.
Where's your chain at?
It's in there.
Oh,
I thought it was gone too. But why does this look...
Why is it off though?
Where's my nut?
Oh!
My nut's gone, dude.
That's not good.
We're not gonna be able to put that thing down.
When did it start knocking? Right up here?
Okay, well, this thing looks fine. It's just missing the nut. So the nut fell off. Stuck now.